Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay today? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey, your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Una pretty? Welcome you all, my new subscribers. Thank you for tuning in to West Indian Delights. Thank you so much. All my whole subscribers that were there from the beginning of the journey. Welcome again, and thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, today I want to share with you how you can go about getting your chicken fried. Just simple and easy. Simple, easy, taking you all away from this whole lot of powdered seasoning. Family, I want to take you all away from this whole heap of powdered seasoning, showing you you can use your little herbs, your little spices, and all of those little things to flavor up your chicken and get you nice fried, baked, whatever the chicken. So let's get rolling. Right inside here I have 3 pounds of chicken. I have breast and I have thigh. It has been cleaned, wash. You see how them clean? Remember, we have some little parts in here with a little dry up kind of blood. We clean them out. This is what the thigh produces, right? So we have a little bit of water, so we're going to try to drain it off. Now right here I have some grated ginger, grated onion, and grated garlic. But as you can see, some of the garlic, the onion wasn't properly grated. It doesn't matter. You rub it right in. Put everything right in. Because when you start frying, you can easily scrape off whatever there is that you don't want. I have right here about a teaspoon of pimento powder, which is also grounded pimento. But I did my own. So you have the one that is grounded and even a little more refined than this. Try to invest in a bottle when you go next grocery shopping. Okay. I have here some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. This is about a tablespoon and a half, but I am not going to use all of it. So this is what I'm going to use. Look at what I've used, because I might just need a little pinch more for when I'm making the fried chicken gravy. Look at what I have here. Okay, right here I have some paprika. The paprika is for coloring. It doesn't give any form of flavor in our seasoning. It is just for coloring. So I'm going to go in with some paprika. Just so that when your chicken is fried off, you have that nice pretty color. So you put yourself in some paprika. If you have the smoke flavor, this seems to be just the plain flavor. Right? So that might just be good. I have here some cayenne pepper. This is for flavoring. Right? The cayenne pepper is optional if you don't want to, but I want a little spice in my fried chicken, so I'm using some cayenne pepper. But you all be careful because it's super hot. Right here I have my salt, and look at this. I have 3 pounds of chicken, 3 pounds of chicken, and this is what, like less than a teaspoon. So I'm gonna put it all over. Right here I have a frozen Scotch bonnet, because family, I have to freeze them because I had them ahead of time, and now the pepper is more than I can afford. So I have a frozen Scotch bonnet. It was thawed, but it's still bad. So I'm going to wash my hands. Family, that's just it. Now, if you have your gloves, you can go ahead. I have a small Ziploc here. And I'm going to use it because the cayenne pepper and the pimento powder is real spicy, and we have the Scotch bonnet. So you remember, I'm going to link it all for you, right? So we're going to get rubbing in. Get right. So you start to massage. I have my skin on. Keep your skin on if you want to, right? When you keep your skin on, the prettier your chicken becomes. So remember, in our family, even though people say fried chicken and the whole heap of grease, when your chicken is properly seasoned and marinated and fried off properly, it's the best tasting chicken, a piece of fried chicken. I'm telling you that. So you keep your skin on. So here we go. We get massaging in. And listen to me. Put the camera on, let us see. As you go along, You want to taste for salt, especially salt perfection. Because you know your seasonings that you have used, they have lots and lots of flavors, right? So you want to mostly taste for your salt perfection. I'm going to teach you. So you don't matter what they're going to say about bacteria, you wash your chicken already. So you're going to put your index finger right here, right upon me with the camera, right upon me, and you're going to go this way. You taste. You taste. If you want a little more salt, you put a little more salt. So I'm going to rinse. Remember you saw what I did. You put your index finger and you tap it a few times, and you put it on the tip of your tongue, and you taste. Right there, I can taste all of my little spices coming out. I might want just a pinch more salt, so I'm going to rinse my hands and do that. So you want a little bit more salt. So you just go ahead. Not a lot more. Not a lot. You know I always emphasize going low on the salt. It is as spicy as ever because of the pimento, the cayenne, and the Scotch bonnet. Because I told you, the peppers are optional, but I want a little spice to my fried chicken. So you marinate them in, yeah, and you turn them over, and you put them close. Get right in. Okay. And you just turn over your bag, and you dispose of it. All right. Now that that's done, you're gonna want to leave it to marinate for no more than 20 to 25 minutes. If you want to go 35, but 20 to 25 minutes. But look at this. You're going to cover down with something that is a little smaller. Squeeze it down. Squeeze it down to keep it down. You don't have to put this in your refrigerator now. It's well seasoned already. The seasoning has taken care of all of it. It's like it's been cured. So you cover it down with something a little smaller, getting it squeezed down, and you shake it a few times, and you use a clean towel, or if you want to use a piece of plastic wrap or a piece of foil wrap, and you cover it and let it stay. I'm letting mine stay on the outside. I don't have to put it in the refrigerator for at least 15, but I'd say 20 minutes. If you want to go more, not a problem. So after 15 or 20 minutes, when we come back, you're going to see how we deep fry it off. We serve it, and we're also going to make a gravy for you. Okay? Okay, family. We're back, and we have our oil here well heated. We fried off a few little pieces of turmeric in there to give our oil a little color. Right? So we're taking them out. So we're going to show you now how we get our chicken. The oil is ready. You can see the temperature of the oil. It's more than ready. So over here, right over here, I have some flour, all-purpose flour, a little baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a little paprika. So I'm going to get it all incorporated, and we're going to flour our chicken. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to go in with this piece of breast first. So you're going to use one hand. You don't try to get the both hands messy here. So you tuck it in, and you get it flour. I'm going to link for you all everything that I use, all the seasonings, and all what I use in the flour mixture. Now that you have done that, you know what you want to do? You want to knock the excess flour, shake it off. So you'll see how hot the oil is. Right like that. So, but you don't crowd up your pot too much. You need it to get some space. So, next patient, same treatment. Excess flour off. Oil, be careful. Put your hand down low, right in. Right? So, we're just going to have these 3 pieces. Remember I told you to let your pot have some space. Do not overcrowd your pot. The chicken will take longer to fry and they will become soggy. Excess flour in. 3 pieces. And you're going to cover. Meanwhile it is frying, it is cooking. So you're going to cover. So we are going to finish fry off these, but we are going to come back to show you what it looks like before we take them out of the oil. Okay? So we're here, we are frying. We'll cover the pot. Meanwhile it's frying, it's been cooked, it's deep frying, and it's been cooked at the same time. Okay, family? Yes, family, right back. And we into the pot. Lower the flame. And this is the color that we got from the paprika. If you don't want it this color, you can omit the paprika. So we're shaking off the excess oil and we're gonna put it on our paper towel. I'm gonna leave them on our paper towel to drain. And you wanna test if they're finished. You just put your fork in there and ring. You see no water coming out. Same thing for the breast. Dry. Dry. Right? So you let them drain on the paper towel. Now we're gonna go ahead right here and we're gonna make some gravy to go with our fried chicken. Right? So we're gonna come right here and we're gonna make a little roux. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. Get our pot dried. And we're gonna use a little of the same fried chicken oil. Not a lot. And we're gonna come here and we're gonna use a little, sprinkle it like that, of your same flour that you use to coat the chicken. We're gonna make a little roux here. We want the flour to come out to a paste with the oil. Look at it. See it? Okay. So this now, you're gonna put your ketchup. You're gonna put a good amount, a generous amount of ketchup. Okay. And you're going to rub out, notch up back your flame, but be careful. And you're going to rub out your ketchup into your roux. Might have a little warm water in your kettle, so you want to put a little in there. Okay. Want to get everything coming to this. We lost our flame, family, not a problem. Back on. Alright. We're trying to get color, you know. We're trying to get like the same color of the chicken. Alright. We're gonna put some more water. And to this now, we're gonna taste for salt perfection. Now we have some fish and meat sauce. We're gonna put a little, not a lot, because we don't want to change the color too much. And remember, I didn't put all of the all-purpose powdered seasoning, so I'm gonna put a little, not a lot at all. Because I don't go for powdered seasoning, not at all. I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper, just to gig it up a bit. And we're going to put some more ketchup. To bring your flavor out, I'm going to do some more stirring. If you want your color change, you can change your color family. But for me, I'm not sure. I'm going to put a little ginger, just to gig it up a bit. So, we're going to turn down because we want this thick, nice gravy. Alright? We can put a little of our paprika to bring it up. And family, it depends on the color of the ketchup that you have. So I think I'm supposed to be fine right here. This is what your gravy looks like, family. If you want a darker gravy, go ahead. Add some more dark coloring, add some more red food coloring, whatever. But for me, this is fine right now. So we're gonna let it come to a boil and we're gonna taste. Nice spicy gravy. So in the meantime, now that is almost ready. So we're gonna come over here. And you can use your hand to, family or your chicken. Remember I tell you that. So you're gonna put your chicken right there. Yup. Then you have your little gravy bowl here. So you just go and rest your gravy bowl right there. And our gravy is like this, thick and nice and ready. So we're gonna remove it, but be very careful. Be very careful. So we're gonna remove it and we're gonna pour it right into our bowl. Right there. So there you have it. Your homemade fried chicken and your gravy to go. Right? And from my kitchen to yours, it's fried chicken with gravy to go. Enjoy. Alright? If you like this video, you need to give it. I'm sorry family, you see what is happening? I'm being all undressed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your family, your co-workers. Leave your comments below. And guess what happened? Remember to subscribe to the channel. And when you do, please to turn on your notification. Fried chicken with your homemade gravy. Yeah man, feel free. Notch it up, extra spice, different color. Debbie from down a yard, remember, please to go low on the powdered seasoning. Boop.